Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this very flavorful and delicious Ofada stew, also known as Ofada sauce. So for the proteins, I have cow feet, beef stripe, oxtail, beef, baked fish, and eggs. Okay, so first we're gonna want to season all our proteins. Then we're gonna transfer this to the stove and let everything cook until tender. So after cooking your proteins, what you're gonna do, you can either fry the proteins in the palm oil or you can bake them. So what I like to do, I like to bake mine. So I bake mine at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, and then I will set it aside and I'll prepare my vegetables. So for the vegetables, I have 8 green bell peppers, 4 red bell peppers, 4 habanero peppers, I have onions, and all the other stuff that I will show you later. Okay, so first you want to wash your bell peppers, clean them very well. So that's how you clean it. Take out the seed and the stems, and then you're going to put it into a food processor like so, and then you're going to let the magic happen. Okay, so you're going to add half onions to this, and then you're going to blend it in a food processor. Okay, so like so, you don't want to blend it completely, so you don't use a blender, you use a food processor, so that way they don't turn into a puree. So you're gonna put it in a sieve out the excess water, and then you're gonna set it aside. Please do not use the water in your sauce, because you didn't go through all that effort to take out all the water just to put it back in the sauce again. So you're gonna throw that away and set the bell peppers aside. So to fry the stew, you're gonna go into the pan with some palm oil, and you're gonna cover this palm oil and let it bleach. Please do not bleach this palm oil open. Okay, so let it bleach and let it cool down before you open the pot. Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and add your onion to the palm oil and let this onion saute for like a minute or so. Okay, so after 1 minute, I'm going to go in with my locust beans, and I'm going to give it a very gentle stir. I'm going to add my seasoning, so that's non cubes. I'm going to add my crayfish. Okay, give it a very gentle stir. Then now I'm going to go in with the bell peppers. So you see I already drained out all the water, so there's no water on this bell pepper. Okay, so I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm going to stir this and just let the bell pepper fry. Okay, so how you know the bell pepper is ready, you're going to see some oil coming up on the top, then you know the bell pepper is ready. So at this point, you see all the oil on top, so now you know the bell pepper is ready to receive all your delicious proteins. So now you're going to go ahead and add your proteins to the pot. So add everything to the pot. Okay, so I'm adding them in batches, so that way I can stir and turn everything very well. Okay, so now that we've added everything, so I'm gonna give it a very good stir, and then I'm gonna allow this cook. So guys, if you're here for the first time, welcome, and please like, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section below. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for always showing me love. So here I'm adding the cow feet. So now the cow feet looks this way because I didn't bake this, okay, because I don't like it dry, so I just boiled it and I kept it aside. So I've added the cow feet, so I'm going to stir everything in for it to absorb the flavor of the stew. So after about 2 minutes of cooking, I'm going to come in and add my baked fish. Okay, so while using fish, you don't want to turn your sauce too much so you don't break the fish. So you turn gently and let everything cook nicely. So as you can see, this Ofada stew, this Ofada sauce is almost ready. So the only thing left for you to do now is to just let this sauce boil for another 2 minutes, and then you go in with the eggs. Okay, so once you add your boiled eggs, this sauce is good, this sauce is ready. Okay, so give it a very good stir. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this goodness, so delicious, very tasty. So now your Ofada stew, your Ofada sauce is ready. Okay, how simple was that? Don't let this intimidate you. Anybody can make this. You just have to boil your proteins, blend your peppers, and then you're good to go. So there you go, guys. This is a beautiful plate, very delicious plate of Ofada stew or Ofada sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next delicious video. Have yourself a very blessed week. Bye bye.